What's up guys, welcome back to the Detail Garage. Today we've got this black Lexus RC 350 in the shop. It came with the factory coating on there that's protected the surface from fallout, anything that's going to scratch the surface. But last night it was parked outside the Detail Garage. It was underneath the tree and all this, contamination's been landing on it. And also some kind of contamination or vandalism is on that side. We want to rinse it off, get it looking right again. So over here, we have our brand new C9 Vitalize Wash. This is safe for any kind of coating. It's going to remove any surface contamination without scratching the surface. And it's been formulated specifically for vehicles that have protective coatings such as ceramic coatings, carbon coatings, to remove any kind of surface debris without scratching the surface. Over here I've also got our brand new snow foam or foam cannon. This is going to give it a lot of foam, which is going to help lubricate the surface with using less PSI. So I'm going to add about an ounce to the bottle. And then we'll shake it up to mix the water and the soap together. This will help it foam. And down here I also have my 2 buckets set up. This is going to be one for our wash solution. I'll put a dirt trap in that. What that's going to do is filter out as much of the dirty water as we can. This way we can get the perfect scratch-free shine. And place it in at an angle, and then I'll press it all the way down to the bottom. And then as it settles, it's going to create a seal that's going to prevent the dirt from coming back up through the cones. Also put a second dirt trap in our rinse bucket. This way we can keep as much of the dirt and filth off the vehicle, which is going to reduce the chance of scratching. So now that our buckets are set up, we're going to move into the rinsing down process. That's going to knock down all the loose dirt and debris, and then we'll foam it up. That'll add lubrication so we don't scratch as we wash. So we just finished rinsing down the car, foaming it, and then you may notice that I rinsed it down again. That was to, remove all of the heavy, tree leaves, sticks, anything that could scratch the surface. And now I'm going to use our wash pad with a lot of soap on there to add lubrication. And this is going to help bring down anything that's still on the surface. There's some kind of white residue. I don't want to leave that on there. It could stain the paint or etch the paint. And I'm working back and forth in straight lines. This picks up anything that's on the surface, but it's not going to create a swirl, which is a lot easier to notice and a lot harder to polish out. I made one little up. What'd you say? Well, I started here, and I was supposed to start here. I'm a human, people. Now, as you wash, your wash mitt or wash pad is going to pick up a lot of dirt and debris. This is what your rinse bucket's for. You want to push it all the way down against that dirt trap, and then it's going to release it underneath those cones, keeping it out of your rinse water. Then we'll take it outside, wring it out on the ground, and this keeps as much of the dirt and filth out of your buckets, which is going to prevent it coming back onto your vehicle.
what an exciting time. You purchased the brand new car and you're asking yourself, what type of coating is it? What is the best thing to use to wash this car? And a lot of times there's not a lot of people that have those answers. Many companies offer coatings, but they're not coatings that are made by them. So private labeling coating means you oftentimes don't know what the best thing is to wash your vehicle with. That's why we developed Chemical Guy's Carbon Flex Wash. It's intended for any type of ceramic sealant, ceramic coating, or basically any coating you have on your car. It's not only going to deliver a beautiful, deep, rich finish, but it's not going to strip away the protection you spent so much to put on your vehicle. We hope you enjoy it.
What he said. So now that we're done rinsing off all the soap and excess dirt, I'm going to go ahead and dry it using our Miracle Dryer Towel. This is a soft plush towel that'll pick up all this water without leaving any streaks or smearing. And also, since it has a silk banded edge, we're not going to run the risk of installing any new scratches or swirls. Now you can see the water beading action, and as we were rinsing it off, you saw how the water was sheeting. That's that C9 Vitalize Wash doing its thing. Also, any kind of coating is going to protect the surface, make it slicker, and the C9 Vitalize Wash is just going to enhance that. So by using the C9 Vitalize Wash, we were able to safely remove all the dirt and contaminants that were on the surface of this Lexus, and it's also enhanced the shine of that coating. If you want to learn more about these products, check it out on our website, chemicalguys.com. If you like this car or this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.